3 compelling reasons to visit Saratoga Springs Auto Museum today. Discover rare vintage classics and modern performance masterpieces here. Explore automotive history, nestled beautifully inside New York State. Elegant mid-century roadsters feature pristine leather interiors and chrome details. Observe meticulously restored dashboard instruments reflecting unparalleled craftsmanship from bygone eras. Quirky blue amphibious vehicles highlight fascinating experimental automotive concepts from history. Vibrant hand-painted floral patterns transform ordinary classic convertibles into artworks. Located within serene state park grounds inside historic bottling plant buildings. Step inside expansive galleries showcasing timeless automotive engineering and brilliant design. Iconic gull-wing doors represent legendary motorsport heritage from mid-20th century. Archival photographs beautifully capture early racing days across original dirt tracks. Examine authentic dirt track sprint cars carrying massive aerodynamic top wings. Vintage, yellow open-wheel races demonstrate raw mechanical power without computers. Sleek red Formula machines sit closely alongside actual professional racing circuits. Modern silver endurance tribute models continue this legendary motorsport winning tradition. Walk through dedicated gallery corridors, displaying vibrant contemporary automotive canvas paintings. Discover peculiar orange motorized contraptions bridging gaps between motorcycles and automobiles. Bare chassis displays reveal complex internal mechanical powertrain layouts. Peer inside luxurious quilted leather cabins aboard massive 6-wheel beasts. Towering matte black utility vehicles dominate exhibition floors with imposing presence. Brilliant red sports coupes offer stunning modern technological contrasts. Browse exclusive automotive merchandise inside well-stocked bright museum gift shops. Experience breathtaking automotive history spanning across multiple uniquely curated indoor galleries. Admire beautifully painted mechanical horse statues guarding peaceful park entrance pathways. Plan your Saratoga Springs Automobile Museum visit today and subscribe for more.